What are we doing
I
today?
love looking at myself.
Yeah.
Want just like bright blonde. I know everyone goes dark. Bright blonde, bring her all up. Like definitely some still shadow at the root because I have such dark hair.
Yeah.
But dimension throughout, but like
Creamy.
luxury blend. Tapery, face framing, fringy guys.
Yeah.
I just want it to be like blend. I obviously want like my front brighter, but like I don't like the.
But you want it to be like.
I don't want it to be so stark.
Here.
Yeah.
Cool.
I feel like that's pretty stark, but I love the tone. Love the tone. And extensions, 2 rows.
2 rows.
Please.
Yeah.
I trust you.
Riley
You're
is
the
back.
best.
All the way from Salt Lake City, Utah.
Yeah.
She wants a cowboy, so I just might find me some boots that fit me right. Chew some tobacco, ride me a Bronco on a southern Saturday night.
Oh my gosh. It's stunning.
I'm gonna cry, I think.
Cowboy hat, but I'll find me
Don't cry.
one
You don't
that
cry.
fits my head. She
Literally, I love it.
won't
Cut.
know
It's
Cut
so
in there.
good.
Okay. The cut. Put my whole back in there.
Keep walking this town, trying to get me some advice. But all the ranch hands around keep on saying they wanna